Hello Starstation, I am back for another amazing video, and in today's video it's an unboxing video. I'm gonna be opening some ringside figures. They came in right here. Two figures. The last time I checked, I ordered MVP, the 88 series, the new Roman Reigns, and a Bobby Lashley 123 series. But we're gonna see right now. We're gonna see what came and what didn't came. Probably all of it came, but let's get into this video right now. I'm kind of excited to open this video, these things up. Let me get a quick scissor. Open this bad boy up. Oh my gosh. Wait, what the hell? Bro, they gave me wrong figure. They gave me the wrong figure. I ordered MVP. Bro, I knew something like this was gonna happen. Come on, ringside. I didn't order this. Spending my money for nothing. I got the new Roman. That's the good thing. But I haven't even gotten my MVP or my Bobby Lashley. Bro, I gotta get in contact with this, bro. This can't be real. I ordered MVP, not him. We're definitely not unboxing this because this might be going back. I'm gonna close this back up. We are gonna be unboxing Roman Reigns. Roman Reigns, I'm kind of disappointed because they gave me that one. Bro, I swear to you guys, I literally had a dream of them sending me the wrong figure. And what did I say? I got the freaking wrong figure. There's Roman Reigns. The head of the table shirt. There goes the head of the table shirt. And the Universal Championship. Ringside Collectibles. Gold unchangeable fist. And the regular handpiece. And Roman Reigns the figure. Now, I really love this figure. I was waiting for it kind of a while now. He has double jointed arms. Damn, it's hard to move. And yeah, other double jointed arms. It's awesome. The gold gauntlet. An amazing gauntlet. With the same head skin as the other one. I think this is the head's removable. Yep, it is removable. With the bat Samoan tattoo. There he is, you guys. With the head of the table shirt. Now, most of you guys don't. Some there was a whole bunch of complaints about the pants. But I'm pretty good with the pants. But like, they actually should have gave us another one of another Roman Reigns with a little clearest pants or something like that. But they didn't. I guess that's whatever. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. This is kind of disappointed because I didn't got MVP. It's really fucking messed up. These are the hands. The Universal Championship. Universal Championship. the head of the table shirt, and Roman Reigns himself. That'll be it for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to Starstation, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.